William, let's go.
Soon.
Okay, now we are back.
Okay, what's your number question?
Okay, sorry, someone just talk here in the background. Is okay. So we are here in the presentation. Okay, let me restart again because I remember Control Z. Okay, so we are here. You first open your new slide file, and then you have the option like click here to add title and here subtitle. So the title here based on the program you are going to present. Okay, so mine, I choose example to be like software engineering. Someone is joining, I think Johnson. Okay, welcome bro, we're still here, we did not go far. So here we go. You have the option, you can give the title, okay, the title of your presentation, what you are going to give, like expose, what are the title to, the feature, artificial intelligence, this one become like the subtitle. Okay, then here you have the option. First of all, I was saying like maybe you want to increase the font size of this one is too small for you. Okay, depend, maybe you want to expand this one up to here, it's all depend on you, but you feel you are insufficient with the text content, maybe you want to make this one big. So here we have the option here, fonts. Okay, we'll be talking about fonts because everything here from here to here is under the ribbon. Okay, so it just they have categorized everything here. They have the clipboard, art, slides. Okay, fonts is very important because we'll be working with it, and then paragraph, and then alignment, drawings, and editing here. So we first start here under home. Okay, home here. So double click here, you can see here. Okay, double click, you can deactivate. So here we are in form. After, highlight this one up to here, highlight, or Control A, it can highlight everything, or double click to highlight one single word. Maybe you just wanted to only increase this one alone, maybe to make it bold, or increase the font size. Okay, you said it all depend on you. But for my case, I will select all of them like this, only the one which is inside the box. Maybe I will try to center this one. Okay, this one here, click here on the home, and then click here pin, so that this one will remain on top like this by default. Then I will click here Control A. Okay, I can highlight everything, then I can give one font size. I can maybe give it 50 if I know what I really want. It will be like this. I will remove the word bold here, or the shortcut is Control B to make it bold, Control I to make it italic, Control U to underline. Okay, so those ones are just optional, or you just press them from up here under the phone, everything will go. So if I want to throw some shadow, I will click on this S here, text, it will add shadow. But the question is, what if I want to go beyond 96? Maybe 96 is just small for me, I want to go beyond. I will just write my own font here. I will just make a double click, I can maybe make like 200. Now if I press enter, you see I can get exactly what I want. But if I found 200 is not logic, then I will go with, but it's not impossible, you can put any kind of font you want to put. Okay, so let's go back with the 60, 50. So if I want to increase it slowly so that I can see the progress, I will just click on this A here, it's called increase font size, or Control Shift plus greater sign in mathematics. Just keep on pressing like this, you can see it's increasing. Okay, to center this one here into center, you go to format here, click on the format. That in the format you see alignment here, click on align object, then you have this one center, everything goes into center. Okay, that's just like to put everything here in the center without having any worry. Click on this one, go to format, go to align, click align center here, everything is in the center. So for my case again, I will go here and I keep on press on home. You see this A here, press increase. Okay, increase until the size I want, decrease until the size I want. If I found maybe this one is fine with me, is okay. If I want to increase this one alone, I will try to make it maybe this one bold, everything. Then comes, we have something, strike through. Strike through is assuming I want to strike this text into two. I will just press on this one here, this ABC. It's going to strike this what here software into two. Okay, then comes on this one here. This one means character is spacing, the space I want to put between characters. Characters are those one, like you can see ENGINE, they are characters. Okay, actually we can count them. How many characters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So space between them is given by this. We have normal, it's just by default. We have loose, it's going to increase space between them. Very loose is keeping always expanding. Now if I come to tight, you see it's coming very close, you see. So you have option here. Okay, the option is here, but by default it's just normal. You don't need to worry about knowing the options. And you can see here kerning for the font of 12 15 by, I add the point, click OK. You see, just slight increase is happening there. So to go back to where you are before, you have this option here. Okay, here means undo character style, but it's given by shortcut, which is Control Z. If I keep on press on Control plus Z like this, it will take me back to where I was. You see, up to here. Anyone want to ask question? Hello, let me hope.
Continue.
I hope I am audible to everyone.
Is it possible to enlarge your screen?
To enlarge my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. I think this piece is no. How about like this?
No, it is not possible, because like what I mean is upper part.
No, it depends on the what I'm using, because the presentation here, you see, even if I remove this slide part here, still it's not going to fit the screen there. This is what I know.
No, okay, you can continue.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So this is how we can add this one. So assuming I want to make this one all into capital letter, to change this one to capital letter, you have this option here. Okay, which was change case. It's the what A capital and the small a plus drop down arrow. You click on this one, then you have this option here. We have sentence case, lower case, upper case. We have capitalize each. We have toggled case. So this is how it works. So if you want to change them to capital letter, click here on uppercase, everything is in capital letter. Click here on B, everything is going to be bold. Okay, click on this one, is going to increase the font size. Click on this one, is going to decrease. Okay, and keep on. If I click on this one, you can be able to highlight. Okay, just to highlight on this one is up to you. So this is the first basic of everything. Then next, maybe I don't want this one. Okay, if I just highlight this one by mistake and I don't want this one to continue, okay, like this, I have one option to do it. Either I select all of them by double click or triple click, everything is select, I just click on this one, it goes. Or like this, I have to go back here, click on this icon down here, then I have option here, no color. Okay, like this, everything goes out. Okay, then next will be how we can add a text color here. So let's go to this one. First select what I want, select everything. Okay, or just Control A is the best option for you. Then you go to here, this A here with the color under, click on this one. You have option of the colors. Which colors do you want to use? Will I use this one, this one, this one, this one? Everything depend on what you really want. Okay, assuming you want to use like this, is fine. The same thing here. If I want to use this color here, I have to go here. First of all, I have to highlight everything. after highlight I have to go to this A. Maybe I want to put red here. Okay, I put here. If I want to increase the font of this one, I have to click here on this one. Like this, everything is okay. Up to this level, anyone is still having problem? Adding color, changing font size to capital letter, increase, adding border, adding shadow, everything. Hello.
Alison,
Yes.
for me now, I'm just using my phone. My laptop is not connected to internet, and I'm following everything.
Okay, I have the
Uh,
YouTube. I'm going to create a YouTube channel. This video is being recorded. The screen is already under recording. You guys will watch it later, okay?
okay, that's awesome.
Yeah. So next we are moving to how we can add another slide page under this one, because now this one is one. If I want to present this one on my screen, I have to click on this symbol here, click slideshow. This is how it will appear on the screen, but it is only one page. If I click next, there is nothing else coming. So where are we going to add the next page, or how can we introduce that new page under this one? So you have options here. Click here on your left hand side. Okay, you have something here called new slide. Now what will happen if I click on new slide? A new slide is created. Okay, then it will ask me to add the title again. Maybe my title is going to be this time introduction, like this. So in my introduction, I wanted to explain something small. Maybe I can say the feature of artificial, okay, intelligence will change the world in 2030. So this is how my second introduction. If I want to make the font of this one different, I click here. Maybe I want to change for so the color.
Alison,
Yes, yes,
it's
yes.
Yunaida.
You know,
It's not moving from the screen. Your screen is not moving for me.
I was explaining what.
Your screen is not showing on my phone. Like it's not moving. It's only the software engineering Yahoo.
Are you sure?
But the new page that you created is not showing for me.
Everyone is having the same problem like Tina.
No, now it has come. But how you did the process,
Okay.
I didn't see.
Okay, let me repeat the process, okay? Tina, let me repeat the process.
Okay.
Good. So let me copy this one so that I can paste it very easy. So here is where you are, right? Hello?
Wait, huh?
So you are here, you want to add next slide. So what you can do, you click on this one here, new slide. Click like this. Then this blank page will open to you, okay? Are you with me?
I click on
Again.
Click on new slide like this.
here in my phone is in laptop is written novel.
Nouvelle what?
Dia
Exactly, new
novel
diapo, c'est ça, nouvelle diapo in French, but in English is new slide. Click on it.
Okay. I clicked on it. I
Then,
just choose any attire, any
yeah,
title.
okay. Next,
Where I got it.
you got it. Then here, maybe I want to make this one like a table of content. Table of content. Okay. Something like this. Then here I have to list my points. What do I have? One, it has to be introduction. Introduction. Next point, it has to be brief history. History of software. Software engineering. The third one will be examples. I want to put conclusion. Okay, like this. Are you okay up to this level?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Good. Here maybe I want to change everything to capital letter. First of all, I have to highlight all of them. I have to go to change case. I have to make everything uppercase. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then we are coming now to learn something new here under the paragraphs here, because we were here adding the color, highlighting text, everything up to here. So we are coming next to this paragraph part here. So what can I do about it? First of all, I want to make the bullet, this dot dot dot, I don't like them, I'm not happy with them. So I have to come back up here and say I want to list mine with the none. It will remain just plain like this. Okay. If I don't want to list them none, I have to highlight everything, go up here. Maybe I have to put them with this open dot, or with this square, or with this square but having shadow, or with this one here, or I can use this one, or this option here. All is just fine with me. So you will just make a choice which one is good with you. Okay. Or next option, maybe you don't want to list them like this, you want to use your Roman number or real number. So if you want to use none, nothing will be there. 2, maybe you want to use with the number 1 2 3 4 is fine. You want to use number with the close bracket is also depend on you. If you want to use a Roman number, you can use this one, fine. If you want to use alphabetic, capital letters, fine. Small letter, fine. This one, fine. Even this one is fine. Okay, just choose the one that goes well with you. So assuming I want to go with this one, like this. Okay. After this one, it come positioning. This one by default, okay, everything is
can you come back in this side of Roman number?
okay. Roman number, you click here the second option. The first option is all about this one. Okay, click on the second option here, this one, second one, where you see 1 2 3 is written. Click there, then come to this one here, press the Roman number capital letter, the Roman number small letter. Which one do you prefer? Okay,
Yes.
is it working with you?
Yeah.
Very good. Anyone is having problem here? Guys, you can talk. I cannot read any message in the chat box. Okay.
Right, okay.
Good. So here, this is how we go. Now we can have our table of content, and we can do anything we want to do about it. So if you want to keep on increasing, I will just let me say from example, I can press enter. When I press enter here, automatic it create this number here, IV, which is 4. I can write something here like example. We have examples. After example, we have proposition. I think there is O here, and there is end here. Proposition. You see, just by pressing on enter, it's automatically adding this number. Okay, proposition, and then someone tried to put some solution, and then it continues. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6, even VI is 6. If I want to continue, it will go, but you can see here this one automatically changed. Only the first letter is capital, but the rest remain in small letter. So what I can do, I'll just go back to change case, uppercase. Now I got everything. So if I want to change their color, I just highlight all of them, go back here. Maybe I want to make them like this, everything just the way I wish, or how it's supposed to be. It's just fine with me. If I want to make this one blue or green also, I just click there like this. I got this one here back. Okay, are you with me?
Yeah.
So assuming I want to make my presentation very powerful, I want to make a picture. Okay, I want to put picture even in the background to demonstrate this one is, because here just software engineer, we don't know, maybe someone did not hear the word engineering. So I want to make something that proof like software engineering by adding I see something is giving warning there. What could be that? Your call end in 15 minutes. Okay, you want more time, enjoy longer call with Google One Premium. Okay, 15 minutes will change. Good. So here we go back here. here we need to add a picture. How do we insert a picture? Maybe I want to put some small picture here or here or here, or I want to change the background color, everything. Here will shift us to go to see the word design. Okay, now if I go to design, I have the one which is already designed by them, so I will first try to see them one by one. How will it be? Okay, let's try number one. Number one is default white. This is what we have. Number two, just somehow but color. Number three, this is how you can see something is trying to shape your style like this. The number three, you can see something like this. Okay, these are just the free one. And then number four, you can see this one is trying to shape it. 5, you can get something looking somehow good. Okay, if you are okay with this one, assuming this is what you want to use, fine, just go back to your home and then here click new again. Now you can see from here you have introduction. From introduction, what can you talk about it? Here maybe you don't need this one anymore. Okay, or if you want to keep on, you put your introduction here, introduction, then you explain something here about software engineering. So what do you want to explain? Maybe you give some little brief story about it. Okay, you explain something, assuming you are doing presentation, you have your point already, or you are googling your point. So I just go back maybe here to the internet. I can say here introduction to software engineering, press enter. Google have a lot of, or you can use ChatGPT also, those who are familiar with ChatGPT. And then maybe I will go down, try to see, maybe just go slowly and just copy this one. Okay, without wasting time, copy this one, then I go back to my PPT here, I paste it here. Okay, I'll just paste it here. Okay, I just click on this one, then paste it there. If I want to have so many points, I'll keep on paste. So here I can see I'm getting everything. Maybe final one more paste. Okay, then I will just highlight all of them and see the favorable color I want to use. Okay, maybe I want to use this one is good, make it appear very well. Okay, and then maybe I want to align this one straight to this one and everything. Now here I want to put picture. So to insert picture here is very easy. First of all, get the picture I want to get, or if you have idea, you can just bring it from Google. Fine, go here to Google. Okay, click here on image. When you talk about software introduction software engineer, click here on image. Okay, here you can have options. Maybe you want to talk about this, or this what you want to bring in, or this one, or this one, or the anything you wish to bring from the picture. Okay, which is just good to, we do from the Google here, assuming you want this one. Okay, software products, this image here, you want to take it. First drag this image here directly, but it's not moving. I don't know, my window down is not moving. Okay, then the easiest way to make it, maybe you can first of all make copy image. Okay, copy image, yeah, copy image, then go back here, Control V to paste it. Okay, this image will come immediately without downloading that image. Then here you have option, you can resize them. Okay, assume you want to resize this one to small to fit, just press here up to here, you can press it. Now you can have it. Okay, but this one is the basic one, and even it's not good. Okay, but it's just for the basic use. In case you just don't want to have any problem, you put your image here, or even sometimes you can put video even here, it can play also. I will take you guys step by step for that one. First of all, you have this option here. When you double click here, you can see there is format here, picture tools format. Once you click on picture tool format, you can format your picture with this preview list styles. Maybe you want to take it squares by default like this. Okay, have these options, put some nice frame. Okay, to them, bring this one here, see some nice reflection, take it like this, looks good. Add some nice frames. Okay, some good frames here like this. You can do anything you want to do. Okay, maybe like this is fine. Just make sure you move from A to Z. Okay, find the one which is going to be okay with you. For me, I want to leave this one like this. So you can see you have just insert a picture here without wasting time. So if you want to duplicate this image to have the copy of it, okay, just press Ctrl down, copy this one and bring it here. Yes, anyone want to say something?
No, continue.
Very good. So here you can have the copies of this one. So if you want to keep on, press Ctrl down, pull it somewhere here. So now imagine you want this picture to go beyond the text. Okay, have another question here. If you put it, another challenge, if you put it here, it's going to cover everything, but your mission is you want this one to go behind the text, so text will be on top of it. So to make this one in a very easiest way, right click, okay, then right click, see the option. What are the options there? We need to check position, okay, or let's click on this text here and try to see position. Position supposed to be format shape, text translate, smart link, convert, smart add, new bullet font. Okay, let's try to see what's in the format shape. Okay, it will enable us to add only style and something, gradient. Okay, good. Let's see with this one. Right click on that one. We have option here, bring to front, send to back. So let's say bring to front. When I click bring to front, you can see the text is what above the picture. The picture is now below. Have you seen? Assuming I want to make this one very big. Let me first delete this one. I want to make this one very big to cover everything up to here. Next, I will have to right click, see the option here. When I say send to back, it will go to back. If I say send to front or bring to front, sorry, it will come and it will cover the text. Okay, now if I right click again, send this one to back, it goes beyond. Then maybe I can change the color of my font here. I can see which one is going to be. Also I have to highlight all of them. Font color, you can see the one that's going to be visible on this one. You see this red is visible, but it's just awkward here. Let's see this. This picture itself is not good. Okay, so let's try to format this picture. Let's go to correction here, correction to reduce the color of this one. Let's see if I put it like this, it's going to be somehow good like this. Okay, you can reduce the intensity of that one, the brightness. So here we can be able to raise our font very well. We can make it bold, we can increase, okay, and like this we can see the picture is behind and everything is there. Okay, anyone have problem with the picture? Insert a picture, bring it to front, send it to back.
Yeah. I wish I could, because I was interrupted.
You was interrupted?
Yeah, the part of where, the part of where you inserted back.
Okay, very good. That's good. Let's go back again. Let me delete this picture. Okay, for those who have understood, fine. You guys just bear with us. All of us are here to learn. Let's go back to Google. Okay, or you have your picture inside your PC or wherever, is fine. Let's go and bring different type of picture now. Let's see, maybe I will use this one here. Okay, I have this one here. This is what I want to use. So I have to right click, I have to copy the image. I don't need to download because maybe my PC is running out of memory. I just want to take this one directly to my project. Come back here, click anywhere. Okay, anywhere. Okay, if it is here, just make sure you are there. Click there. Control plus V means paste. Okay, this image automatically will insert itself here. Okay, are you with me?
Exactly.
Okay, now the picture is inside itself. So my case is maybe I want this picture to be behind, or I want to position anyhow, but it's covering the text. So for me to solve this case is very simple. First I right click on this picture, then I see this option bring to front. Is by default is always in front. Okay, send to back, it goes beyond what are on the screen already. Let's send to back and say now I send them to back, or send it to back. You see here, this one is behind the text, you can see very well, but it doesn't look good still, because like the text cannot read very well. Maybe you can increase it like this, still doesn't bring the solution. Maybe the correction of this one, the brightness is too high. So to reduce this one, you double click on the picture, it will open to you first of all. So if you want to reshape it, okay, you have these frames here already given. Okay, it's up to you to choose the one which makes you happy.
Alison, wait,
Yeah,
the tools that you're using there, is it from the fix, or you're using the side of the tell me what you want to do, or you are using from the review, have an fix the PDF? Which tools exactly are you using from?
the one here to make these frames.
Yeah, yeah.
No, it's by default when there is image. Okay, here there is no image, you see there is
Okay.
nothing appear. Okay,
All right. From default,
yeah, or by default it's not there, but once we put images like this, control V, you see it come up here, picture tools. Okay, by default if you don't put picture it will not show you, but once you bring picture in, okay, like this, you see it's already there. So you just double click on it. Once you double click, it will open everything here. You see, have you seen? Bro, are you
yeah,
doing
sure.
good? So here you open this option all up to down, you see how do you want to format it. Maybe this one is just fine with me. Good. If I want to put it this side without disturbing anything, so I put it here. But I find one problem. Why? It's covering the word here, software engineering is being covering. I want the word to be read by everyone. So I have to right click on this one, go to send to front means bring it on top, send to back means send it back. Okay, when I click like this, you will see the word software engineer has been read, and I can deplus this one, move this one anyhow the way I want. Maybe I can reshape it, resize it. Okay, can maybe put it here, it's just fine for me. Or maybe I will take it this side, put it here, put it on top, put it there. All is just okay with me. Anyone having problem? Hello?
No, continue. But
Very
I don't have the picture for me to put it there.
You say?
Just following you. I don't have the picture to put it, but I'm just following you.
I think you can just type on the Google.
Okay.
Type Google any picture you wish. Then that's why I always make sure we all go together. Okay, go here, type anything. Assuming you want okay, beauty product, beauty product. Yeah, let me say what you're doing is all about beauty products. So here you see you see there is a lot of makeup stuff here. Let me say I want this one. Okay, here I will have this nice picture. What I can do, I'll just right click, I'll just go to option copy image. Okay, then I will have to go back to my screen here. So if I go back to my screen, before it say it remain what 15 minutes. Let me hope everything is fine. So I have to paste it here. Paste this means control V. So you can see here everything is being covered. Here everything is covered. First of all, I have to right click. Next, I have to send it to back. Next, I have to resize. This one is too big. I have to resize. Okay, are you there? I have to resize. Next, I don't want this large big size which is white here, so I need just to cut it up to here. So the important things will comes in, that is the crop functionality. Okay, crop enable us to cut this picture into small pieces. Only select the part we want. Okay, I click here on crop, just reduce this one up to here and click here. Now this picture at least reduce itself. still I can go back and resize it until the size I want. Up to here is fine. Next, maybe I will recrop. This part is still small, so I have to double click. I can see the option here, crops. Click on crops. Okay, keep on dragging this up to here. When I go here, it's crop. Then double click again. I can see this option here open to me. Next, I have to see the frame which is good for me. Maybe I want this one, or this one, or this one. I am okay with this one. Fine. After I got this one, what I can do, I can try to see the correction. If I reduce it up to this one, yeah, these ones look good. I just click there like this. I'm fine. Tina, hope you know how to get picture from Google. Copy the image and then paste the image in your slide. Okay. Hello. Let me hope everyone is there. Okay. So now could we continue back here? Oh, someone is still. My touch. We have Viola is not there. Okay, we carry on. So we are here, okay? Tina, I hope you understood the concept how you can.
Yeah, I got it even.
It's
And
working.
I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
If I want to remove a page,
If you just want,
the page that I inserted, if I want to remove it out.
okay, assuming this page here is light, you don't like it, right?
Not the picture. No.
The entire page.
Leave
Yeah.
a page.
Yeah.
A full page.
That's slide. This one slide. This one's called slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So just press on delete. Simple.
Oh.
Then
Okay.
Control Z. It can return what you made.
Okay, supprime.
Is there? Okay, good, bro.
All right. Thank you. I got it.
Very good. So we are back here. So delete, take it out. Control Z, it can return it back. If you don't know how to use Control Z, assume you press delete. You see this option here. This is my cursor, undo delete slide. So you click like this, it will still go back. Okay. Okay, everyone is there. Next will be how to make it on the what, because you will be in school, you will be given a projector, so you'll connect the projector to your PC. Just a matter of plugging a cable. After you click on this symbol here, means light show. Press on it. Now you can see this is your presentation. Okay, then you have the option of pressing next Next here, just you have this arrow key, which is top, bottom, left and right. This arrow there, use them. Click on the right. Next will come table of content, introduction, brief history, example, proposition, solution, conclusion. Next you click introduction. Now the introduction comes in. Next you get the other one. So assuming we need to duplicate this one here. Oh, someone wanted to join. Regina. Okay, welcome Regina. Then here we go back again. Once we are here, you can see we have introduction. So I want to follow the same thing, like I have introduction, brief history, example. So I will just press on this one. I can make Control D. Control D here means duplicate, means have the same copy without any different. Have you seen? Same copy, no any different. So I can change here from introduction.
Control what?
Control D.
Oh, yeah.
Means duplicate, have exact copy without any different. Okay, I can say here brief history of software engineering. Then I can press here Control D again, duplicate the same copy. What should I put there? I can add here example. Okay, example, good. Then I can make Control D, duplicate. I can get proposition here, proposition. Control D again, I can get solution. Okay, final Control D, I can get my conclusion. Okay, now you can see we are adding a lot of slides. Then assuming I want to change all these pictures here. For the brief history, maybe I want to bring different type of pictures and everything, so we are going to do this one in a very simple way. Here we go. Let's take next picture, should be this one. I'll just make right click, copy image. Okay, then I will come back here, number 3 here. I will expand, maximize. Here I can delete, I can put this picture here, the one I got. Then I can see the position where I can put it. First of all, I want to reframe it. Double click on the picture, double click, the frames will open. Next I have to select what I want to do here. Maybe I want to use this one, just depend on what you want. I can take this one here. I have to send it back, send to back, and I will put it there like this. I'm fine with it. Next I will come to this one. If I want to delete this one, good, I will go and take something out here. Here we see set of BT product. I can say software, something like this, and I will take the picture. I want to use this one. Hope everyone is following. I will get this nice picture. Okay, I can copy the image. After I copy the image, I will maximize here, go back to my project here. I can make Control V, I can paste the image. Okay, if I found myself like this image is very big, I have to resize it. Just at the edge here, drag and move it anyhowly. Here you can see, you can put it wherever I want to put. Maybe I want to put this one down here or here. Okay, here I just want to put it like this. Now I can see my presentation is somehow changing and it's looking good. If it's the case of putting picture everywhere, just put them. If you don't want to put picture, it's fine. Maybe it's not destined for pictures. Some of them it's not good, some of the presentation, but it's important you add pictures. Okay, so like this I can see my presentation is making sense. And remember, the text here depend on you, you can change them according to what you want to explain. After everything is done, it's fine for me. I have to click here again, slideshow. When I click on it, you can see now I'm presenting to the screen. Or if you don't want to use the next arrow, whatever, you click here. You see there is this option here. Yeah, miss next, miss previous. Click here next. You see the second one, table of content. Everyone will know what you're going to talk about it already. You will be talking about introduction. You will give history. You can talk about the example, proposition, solution, and conclusion. Now if I click here on next, you see Now introduction comes in. Now you start your introduction. If I click next, you can see the history start like this. You can see some examples. You can see some preposition, solution plus conclusion. Now if I click here, you can see here end of the slideshow. Click exist. You just continue next. You will go back to your level here. So up to this level, who still have a problem with the inserting new slide, adding some slides, adding text to the slide, adding pictures to the slide, and using slideshow functionality? Who is still having question here?
The arrow that changes alone without you changing. Can you repeat it again?
You say?
The arrow that changes the pages alone without you changing it.
Okay. The arrow is the what? We call them what? The arrow functions. You see, if you go, I don't know what type of keyboard are you using.
Uh,
Okay, let's.
the problem my laptop is in French. That's why
Okay,
sometimes I get.
let me show you something. Just wait
Yeah,
a
I'm
moment.
using French keyboard.
The keyboard also is going to do the same functionality. Just
I'm
wait.
using French. I'm using French keyboard.
But yours is okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
PC keyboard.
Wait, in
Yeah, yeah.
French keyboard, like Control D, Control B, they're the same, right?
Yeah, yeah, the same control. There's no problem.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So Tina, I mean this one, this keyboard here. You see here, this up, down, left, right.
I know. I mean, without using them, can it work without me using them?
Yeah, yeah, it can work. Why not?
I,
It's going to be like this
yeah.
without using them. That means you are going
Mm-hmm.
to press here slideshow. After slideshow, you see here, you bring your cursor here.
Well.
Have you seen here at the uh, down at your screen here? Have you seen my cursor?
Mm-hmm.
You just press on this one next. Next, if you're using remote at school also, you just press on remote next. Everything will work magically. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is how it works. So for the case of control, so like this, if you want to go to exit, you don't want to keep on going next, assuming you have 100 slides, you don't need to go up to the end so that it can tell you next like this. Just click on your escape key. Escape key in French is called a sharp, in English escape. Press on it to just take you back. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's how you do that one. And then next, sometime we want to put a number into our slide. We want to know how many numbers, how many slides are there. It has to show maybe with something here, date or time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this one become a challenge also. So you go to insert here, click on dot insert. You should remember we are here in home. We go with the home, put slide. We did not talk about layout. We are still coming step by step, but we know more about font and then paragraph system here. And then next we'll be moving up to drawing and everything there, which is okay. We'll come to that one next, but still we are here. So go to insert. Insert, you want to put what page number. Okay, you can see from A up to Z, it's all something new always. There is nothing going to be what something for you guys. We are going to learn. You can see we have here a new slide. You can still add slide from the insert. You can still add tables. You can add pictures. You can use free pictures online. You can screenshot. Okay, what you have. Or even okay, if the screenshot is the most easiest one, you don't need to go up to the screenshot. Use your press on your window. Okay, when I say window, I mean this one here. Where is the keyboard? When I talk about window, I mean, let me open this one very big. When I talk about window, I mean this keyboard here. Have you seen having the picture of window?
Mm-hmm.
You press on this one, window. Shift is this one here, having the arrow up. If yours doesn't have arrow, it's going to return shift. But mostly you can see there is arrow always. Window, shift, and then S. Press it like this. Window, shift, S. Now I've pressed mine. What I can see is going to give me this plus symbol. So if I want to get this picture for you guys, I will just highlight only the part I want. Okay. Now if I remove my hand, this one is already captured. Now guess what will happen if I go to my project here and make Control V. I got the keyboard automatic to my project. Have you seen? Hello. Hope everyone see what's happening.
Yeah.
Window, Shift S.
No, window, Shift S. Select the part of the picture you want, then remove your hand, then go and paste it wherever you are working. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Is it working with you?
Sure.
You make sure you first
Yeah,
press
yeah.
window down. Don't remove your hand from window. You press window down, and then keep on pressing window. Press shift. Keep on press two of them. Then S. Once you press S, then you remove your hand, all from them.
Three of them.
Yeah, you press three of them at once. But you start with the window, then you put on shift, then S. Three of your hand all must be on what long press. From there, everything will come out. Okay. Hello.
I'm trying. Wait.
Tina is like this. Let me take you back again.
Yeah, I'm trying to Window Shift S.
See mine.
It's coming, but
Okay.
عشان نحرك
Mm-hmm.
the arrow is there.
Okay.
The arrow is
Then
there,
use the
but
arrow to select. You press the. Okay. Once you have the arrow, see my screen now. See my screen. Window, Shift S. It's going to be like Duluma, something like this, right?
yeah.
Then you see, I will not press anything. I just move my just my mouse like this. Then I will come and see where is the picture I want. I need only this keyboard, right? I have to put it here at the edge of this keyboard. Then I will press it down, meaning left click, press it down. Don't remove your hand from left click. Then you drag this one here, drag it up to the end here. Then remove your hand out. It will give you a pop-up message. Tiring. Then you go and paste it wherever you want to paste. You come back here, then Control V. You see the new image is being captured. You try again.
okay.
This one is hard.
It's not hard. Tina, can you share your screen?
I don't even know how to share the screen.
Who knows how to share screen there, guys?
I can because I'm using a phone.
Okay.
I can open my.
Matosh, do you know how to share your screen?
انا بالتليفون ما بقدر، انا بقدر بلابتوب لكن انا ما في بيت، ما اللابتوب حقي ما جنبي، انا ما بقدر بالتليفون.
Okay, but are you doing practical with us? Is it working with you?
رجينا شغال معك.
رجينا
بالتليفون ما انا نسمع.
انت بتشتغل بالتليفون ولا بالكمبيوتر؟
هسه انا شغاله بالتليفون، انا ما في بيت، لابتوب حقي ما معي.
Oh, then it's not gonna work.
Okay, wait. I got it. Wait.
Okay, Tina, keep up trying. Let's go back again and try with you together. See, here we are, okay? This is the picture I want to capture, okay? Tina.
I got it. خلاص. صافي.
Very good. Matosh, how far? Matosh.
I'm still struggling with it.
Malit,
Yes.
is it working with you?
Yeah.
How about you, Mark? Back. Mark back is not there. How about have some two guys here? Let's see. Johnson.
Yes, it's okay.
It's
I
working.
have no problem on this.
Okay, Malit Johnson.
And then you said you do Control C, right?
Yeah, control. No, not control C. After you just highlight it and it works with you, no need for control C.
If I want to copy it and
You don't need to copy it. Now you see Window Shift S, Window Shift S. Now show me this shadow, something like this. So I will bring my this plus arrow here. I will first of all drag from where I want it to end. Then I remove my hand. Automatic, it's already copy. Okay, you don't need to make Control C anymore. Then go back to your
To the picture
to the
outside.
place where you want to paste it. Then make Control V. Automatic, it is already copy and it's just pasting for you work. You don't need to make Control C there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You try, hope it's going to work. Matosh?
Yeah, I got it now, but I need to work on it again and again.
Is it pasting for you or it's just bringing nothing?
It's pasting.
It's pasting, right?
Yeah.
So you know how to resize the picture also, right? You can expand it.
Yeah, that one is okay.
Very
But
good.
this is the only thing was the
Okay.
difficult one.
So who is still having problem? Regina, let me hope the concept is fine with you. Regina.
By the way,
Yes.
the part of sizing, actually, I'm stuck this part.
You have problem with the part of resizing?
Yeah, you wait. Let me show you something.
Okay, share your screen with me.
I'm using a phone and then I'm using laptop at the same time.
Okay, laptop
because I was having a problem.
for following. Okay.
It's very hot out here in place. Too much.
Yeah, I had like this, but in Rabat it's very calm, very cold.
It's not pasting for me.
This way, like I stuck in.
Okay.
But I'm trying like to decide.
Share in the group WhatsApp. Let me see.
No, it is on the. It is a live video now. I'm with you. The same presentation.
Oh, yes, presentation. Okay, let me see. Ah, you are there with the the Apple picture, right?
Yeah.
So what is your challenge?
It's like resizing it as you said before, like playing it, like bringing it back a little bit bigger. When I reached this part, it just chrome and it couldn't like resize again.
Good.
So should I take the format? Because I was given like two choices here in the format.
No, resizing the size of it, making it small is not format. It's you first of all you need to double click. Okay, see my screen. I'm going to double click.
Okay.
I want to. Okay, assuming for your case this one is inside here, right? So now for you to click on this one is going to be challenging because you can see this box here is trying to cover everything. Okay, click first outside from your this one, then bring your cursor to the palm, that apple you want. Then you can click like this. You can see this 4 edge with the white dot. Okay, put your cursor at the end here. It will show you this expand view. Then from here you can resize it. Okay. Yeah, you try. First click very far from the picture, okay, at the edge here of your slide. Then go and put on the picture. So to know like it's selecting the picture, you see it will show you this four arrow, top left button. Then press on it, you can capture for you the image. Then you can move now the image. You can now try to make it small. Hope it's moving.
Yeah.
Good. So Tina, it's pasting for you, right?
No, it's not pasting.
It's not pasting. Good. So
Control V, right? After I screenshot.
Control V.
V.
Yeah.
Okay. I've been doing the wrong thing.
If you make Control B, it's going to bold something. If you highlight, it's going to bold the text.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the difference. Was good. You have understood.
Yeah.
It's working, right?
Yeah, it's
Do you
working.
have problem with the resizing, reshaping, framing?
Resizing, reshape. No, the shape, all these things for the picture.
Do you know how to send picture behind the text, bring text in front of the picture?
Yeah.
Very good. So who is still having problem? This one guy, Matosh. Matosh Deng. Do you have any problem still?
With picture stuff, I don't have problem. What I have problems like the last part of Microsoft
The last part, that is
of
to
window, yes.
screenshot.
Yes.
Okay, to screenshot. Okay, Tina struggled, but finally she understood. To make a screenshot is easy, Matosh. Find the picture. Okay, find the picture. Let's not only go with this one. Let's try to get this one here. This green
Yeah.
one. Okay, this is what I want. What I can do, I don't want to just take everything here. I just only need to select this specific part. Assuming I need this num part, I don't want the everything. So that's when this one becomes very crucial for the screen. So you press on your window keyboard. The window keyboard is here. This one here, having this. I think you can see very well here.
Yes, it's
This
for
this one window. The window keyboard here is between the alt and the control. This one's mid alternative. This one's control. Then you have the shift is just on top of control here from the left hand side. Okay, meaning you press this one. Long press meaning what? You press this window, don't remove your finger from the top of it. Then next put your second finger to press the shift down. Long press, don't remove it. That you put your another finger to press on the S here. Then once all of them are there, you can see, and then remove your hand. You can see there is a blue, there's this one, a shadow, like the color will reduce. Like if I do now, you can see window shift S like this. When I remove all my end, you will see like it's somehow very dark. Okay, then it will depend on me. I will select the part I really want. I will just, maybe I want this one from Q up to P. I drag it down up to alternative here, and then if I remove my hand now, it's already captured. Then now if I resize and go back here, just make Ctrl plus V like this, I can get my image which I've just selected. Have you seen? This keyboard is not exactly to what is there because I've selected exactly what I really want.
yeah,
Hope the
I got it
concept
now.
is well understood.
Yeah, I got it now.
Is it working? You try.
Yeah, it worked now.
Very good, don't forget it. Then we have, who else might have problem there? Hiya Susan, hope everything is fine with you. Hiya. Oh, she's not there. Okay, fine. So up to this level, I hope all of us are in the same level because I don't want to leave some people behind, because the things will be what increasing on top of the other. So here we go, we managed to make some good 8 slides. So to continue adding more, like I've said, is Control plus D just to duplicate this one. Control D again, duplicate. You can see the numbers adding from 8, 9. You have now 10 slides. But our challenge,
Control.
Control D.
Oh, okay.
Here, let me illustrate from here. Control D meaning you press on the Control then plus D. This one here, letter D. It's between S and F if you are using English. Okay.
It's not adding for me.
But
you
Alison,
press.
as you're using Control D, are you trying to increase just only the number of the slide, but are you not going to write them?
No.
Because they would be different.
Yeah, it's going to be different. You see here, conclusion. There are 3. Assuming like I have the same thing here, like conclusion. I just need to have the same design here with the background, everything. So instead of applying them small or trying to suffer myself, I just press, because I have this slide already, I just going to change all the text here and the title. Just press Control D to this one. Yeah, then from there I just
Okay.
keep on adding my points. Okay,
So the points will be different, but the background and the design is all the same.
it remain the same. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next, now we want to add a numbers. Okay, we want to put numbers down here. Okay, page numbers, like you remember some slide have numbers here. So for us to deal with this one, you go and press on insert, insertion in French. If you're using French, Matoch and Tina, insertion here, click on it. Then you see this option from A up to Z. Here you can see nouveau quoi diapo. Then at the end here you can see is screen recording. First of all, go from that way all up to date and the time. Okay, press on date and time. Yes, Tina. Tina.
Yeah, yeah, I'm looking for the date and time. Wait.
Okay, in French only. Press on insertion from new slide
Yeah.
nouveau diapo up to here. It's just between word arts and then slide number here. Okay.
Ah, okay.
So if you click here slide number is fine. You're going to add numbers just here. But click first of all on date and time. So what do I want? I want a slide number to appear. Next, I need the footer to appear. 3 date and time also. That means it's going to keep on changing there. If tomorrow come on 20, here is going to be changed to anything. Then I can press on what, apply to all. Then you can see here there is something which is not going well. You can see here there is date already here in the footer. If you see here very well, there is date here already, but it's not what I want. If you see here, it's showing there. If I try to drop this image down, you can see it's showing here vertically. Okay, but it's supposed to be horizontal. So if I keep on going, you can see it's good, it's showing there, and even the number showing here, number 10, number 11. Okay, up to number 1. Have you seen? Hello?
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, say your question.
I applied the date and time,
Yeah,
but it's showing
showing what?
on the pictures.
Yeah,
So
we need to make
nim-
adjustment.
I have to press on the do this whatever diapositive
Diapositive.
diapositive. I
Yeah,
have to press on this box, right,
yeah, to check it.
to check them.
Exactly.
Okay.
Press all of them.
Okay.
Check date, time, check number. Diapositive.
N'est pas affiché sur la diapositive. I don't have to. Wait.
Yeah, then click
Yeah.
on apply. So do you see page,
Okay.
do you see page number up there showing you? Have you seen here? Page 2. Mine is page
Page
3.
1, page 2. Yeah.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
So you see here also there is date and footer, everything is showing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this type of numbering, it happened due to what? To the slide we choose, the background we choose. Now assuming we are going back to the what here, design. Go to design. You choose any type of slide you want to use. You see mine automatical by default take me down here. Have you seen?
Design is the creation, right?
Yeah.
Creation. Okay.
Have you seen?
Mm-hmm.
Mine automatic just brought me down here, but which look good. If I keep on pressing next, you see number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you seen up to 11?
Yeah.
So Malit, hope you are moving well.
Yeah.
Very good. Matosh, Regina,
I
inshallah Mashid.
ماشي تمام.
Very good. So anyone doesn't have any problem with this one, right? Next.
Yep.
Okay, next option, maybe you can keep on changing the one which is good for you. I don't have problem with that. it depends, because the design depend on the personal choice. Let me take mine back to this one. Okay, just fine. So if I want to deal with this one, like this is your footer, whatever, first I will go again to insert. I go to date and time. Instead of adding footer, I will first remove footer. Click apply. Now if I go, I will only see date and time here. So if I want to increase this date and time, try to design, try to change the color, because if you see here, the color is not that well and it's not even more proportional. So I have to see how should I do about that one. First go to view here. Okay, go to view. View.
Revision.
No, review, then we have view. You have aid,
Mm.
they say aid in French, aid. Then view is just opposite to it. Then go to slide master here. After go to slide master, you see this hash here is for number, this one here for footer. Let's see where can we get it. You get it almost everywhere, all of them are there. So let's see, let's go back here. Okay, slide master, first page here, number one. Let's see date here and time. Let's try to increase, and then let's try to increase the font size. Okay, then let's try to increase the color. Let's make it red, and then let's make it bold, and try to drag this one down like this. Let's see, is it happening to all of them? Good. Now, okay, instead of slide master here, I'll go to view, slide master, like this. Everything is well changed. And then if I go back to my real home here, we need to close this one so that we can see our project. That means I have to go to slide master. After slide master, I have to go back to normal, like this. Click on normal. Okay, after normal, you can see everything is there, and the date is just good. Have you seen? And if I want to make it to white again, to change this one to white or reposition it, I'll go back to my view, slide master, page number one, this one, first page here. Click on this one, see home here. Instead of red, I'll make it maybe white. No, white. Okay, this one is white already. Then this footer, I don't want it here. This footer, I remove it from number one. Then I have to go to view one more, because I have to close it. Then instead of slide master here, I can just click on normal. Okay, now you can see my text number, no, date here has changed. Okay, the date has changed and everything is okay. Now if I continue, you see everything is fine. Anyone is having challenge?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
What is it all about?
All the process that you did, I didn't know where to get it.
Okay, I'm saying you
No,
guys,
wait, tell me. Wait.
so you guys know how to insert a page number, right? Slide number.
You see, this is my computer, okay?
Oh, wait, let me see what you are trying to put. Okay, come on. Yeah, this is your PC. Very good.
Uh-huh. The view that you said, is it this one?
You try to zoom in, zoom. Try to bring it very closer to your phone camera. Okay, let's just do like this. Fine, I will show you this one now. Let's go to here. Power point diapositive. Let's see here, video, images. Click on images. let me show you. I think this one is related to what you have on your screen. This is window vista. No, as you should know, French version. Okay, let's say PowerPoint. I think I need to change mine to French version. Okay, this is a transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, help. In French it's supposed to be diapositive. Okay. Animations, no, it's English only. I think I have to change my system to French so that we can copy. How many people are using French? All of you, right?
No.
Because I want to change mine to French so we can cooperate. Language preferences. Okay, English is by default. Okay, display language is what I need. English.
I think the major problem was because of the upper tool layers there. That's where like the cursor, when it's moving around, very hard, like here.
It's small. It's very small. Your screen is not showing like the tools up there. If it's showing, I can do them, but it's not showing.
My screen?
Yeah, it's very small. Because most of us are using phones, and then we're using the laptop.
But can you guys see? Wait. Can you guys see my cursor? Have you seen the movement?
At some point, there are some moments where like very speed, like don't really catch up.
Okay.
I think that could be the cause of the errors. It's not about the keyboard itself.
It's faster, right?
Yeah, at some point, yeah, there are moments where like you can't even catch up exactly where the cursor is.
Okay, we are going to move step by step. Good. So we are here. This is file. Can you guys see the file here? Home here.
Yeah.
Then the next is insert. Another one will be draw.
Creation.
Then you have design. Transition. Animation.
Yep.
Slideshow.
It's for me. It's diaporama. I
Very
don't know.
good. Very good. We have review.
Revision.
Very good. Then you have this one, view.
Affichage. Is it the one?
Affichage. Sorry.
Okay.
Then after affichage, you have this option here. We have presentation view.
It's format for me here.
Then the next will be master views.
I don't have another one.
Look. Okay, you have normal here, right?
Yeah.
After normal, you have outline.
Mode plan.
Good. You have slide sorter. You have page. Just count. Okay, just count how many you will have them there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6 if you're counting from your left hand side.
Number 6?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Who's joining us now? Late time.
Mask whatever. Mask do whatever.
Yeah, mask, that one. Sorry, yeah, is the one, mask. Okay. Click on it. Click on that one, yes. Have you seen?
Mask document?
Yeah. Mask the document. Click on it. After you click, the first slide, the first one here, click on it. Okay?
This one?
The first one, the first page. Click on it. It's bigger than all of the three. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you see the option here, this one hash here, this symbol hash here. Have you seen?
Where?
The first slide, when you click on it, you see this option here, hash. This pound symbol, it means number here.
Mine is down. That's
Okay, you are
problem.
using different diapositive. Yours will be down. Good, no issue. Go to it. Then you see where we have date here. Where is your date there?
It's here.
Good, that's your date now. What I want you to do, click on this date to be active. Then go to home here. Go to home again. Home. After go to home, okay. Go and make
Mm.
it bold. Increase the font size, okay. Make it white, okay. Simple, yes. Increase the
Yeah.
font size the way you want. You can see from where. Even you can move it if you want to move it to this one to be straight to this one is fine, okay.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then now go back to affichage again. Click on affichage. After affichage, click on normal. Like this, you can see everything is changed.
Okay. Yeah.
It works.
Yeah, it's working.
That's the first basic way of putting mask the affichage, which is slide master, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mask.
And what
Talk.
if you want to put them, like if you want to put this page
Mm-hmm.
on the on any other side
To move it, you mean the position
to
of the
move?
this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are going we are going to build what our own custom design, because theirs is by default. They are forcing you to use the same rules they are using, okay. We are going to
Okay.
build our own, whereby we can put the color we want, so that they cannot rule us anyhow, okay.
Okay.
So this one is just for the basic, and everything has gone. Oh, they say we'll end in 15 minutes. Good, our lecture is coming to an end also. From here, let me see who is still having problem.
My problem is a lot.
Okay, next.
Like before you told us if we did control B, it will add, like the pages will add automatically, right?
Control D, not B.
Yeah, control D.
Yeah, it will
Oh,
duplicate
okay.
the page, slide page.
Yeah.
Next, you take paper,
Next.
take paper and pen. You put them down. Control plus B is going to make a text ball. Control plus C is going to copy. Control plus V is going to paste. Okay, I will drop this one into WhatsApp chat. No issue. Someone is asking me there. Next.
Yeah, I hope the recorder is on
Yeah,
because like
no
I've
issue.
logged in
It's
on
already
my
recorded.
on my
Okay.
PC, but I cannot access, like I cannot unless I maybe use my phone. You know, when I have a question to ask,
No
my
worry,
PC
no
cannot
worry.
allow me to. Yeah. So there is something you did before, but really like I'm busy. I'm also cooking in the kitchen and also trying
Okay.
to attend the lesson here.
Mm.
Yeah, there is the other one. You like for me usually, like if I want to if I want to prepare presentation on PowerPoint,
Mm.
like I do go on Google and download some images. But there's something so interesting you did before, like instead of downloading, you screenshot it, or I
Okay.
don't know whether
It's very
you
easy.
copy and paste it.
Good.
Yeah, so that one I would also love to know it, not now but maybe
It's
later
already
on
it's
next
already in
time.
the recorded video. Okay, I'm going to
Oh,
make a
then that's
YouTube
good.
YouTube what
Then that's
local
good.
account like
And
this.
another challenge that I
Mm-hmm.
have,
Mm-hmm.
my PC is in French. Like all those things on the top, yeah, they
Mm-hmm.
are all in French. I've tried several times, like to put everything in English, but it has failed completely.
Okay, I think Tina is having the same problem like you, but she catch up with us. You will see there is an explanation well in the video also. Then if you have anything, you text me privately later on.
All right. Okay. Thank
Mm.
you.
Regina,
Uh,
any problem?
Asma,
Matoch, yeah?
Asma, yes, another thing, like in case like after you control day, you have
Mm-hmm.
like many page.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to go back and reduce those page,
You want to go back and reduce the page?
yes, for example, you see like
Just okay.
you,
Just click
you have
click on the page you don't like. Press on delete from the keyboard. Supprimer
what?
in French. Assuming you have so many pages, okay,
Yep.
and you don't like them, we call them slide, not pages. Sorry. You have so many slides here, which is pages. There's no problem also. Assuming I don't like this number 10 here, okay,
Yep.
I will just press on my delete here. Delete from keyboard. Yours will be maybe supprimer if you're using supreme. If you're using French is
Thanks.
supprimer. If it's English, is just delete. Press on delete, it goes out.
Okay.
If you delete it by mistake, okay, you want to get it back, you make Control plus Z.
Control plus Z.
Yeah, I will send the control commands key there in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
control and Z means to retrieve what you have deleted. Yeah.
Exactly, just like undo. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good. That's good.
Then to make this
Yeah.
on slide, you press on this on slideshow here. Okay. Then you press next. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Any question?
Up to now, if I need questions, I need
Okay.
your full
Okay, I'm
time.
going to send you
You first.
exercise, guys. The exercise will be sent. You guys will work on it up to tomorrow. But we need to agree again on time again. You guys are okay with this time, like what I've said, because I say we're supposed to learn XL at the same time also. So, but I prefer we go first with the this one. Once finished, we go to XL, which is fine. But the time, are you guys committed? This 17 hours every day is okay with all of us, or someone have some suggestion?
I guess should be always actually it should be allocated according to days. So
Because
there are some days where like we might
mm-hmm,
have a function within the day, like today
Mm-hmm.
itself. There will be meeting and there will be a debate also at the same time.
yeah.
So it depends on the functions that we are doing with the sum. How do you see that?
Okay. Mine is okay, but it will depend on the majority also, because I hope everyone is there in some, right? Like general assembly meeting of today, everything.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So 17 hours is okay.
Yeah, 17 is okay, but what you should try, like, you should coordinate your time with some at the same time because some people, like, they're part of executive, they will be like having program,
Mm,
so and they cannot be also like, so you have to coordinate your time.
no issue.
Yeah, then me, I prefer like it will be good, like, if we can make it at 8 down to 11, 3 hours consecutively, it will be okay because everyone will be at home. But you need to check the time of others because
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah.
Malit, are you okay with what
Yeah.
Matosh say?
Exactly. That's my suggestion. Just like what Brother Matosh just said,
Excellent.
because at 8 p.m. it can get everyone ready, or in the bed, or you're in your room, yeah, and you
Mm,
can do that one. Like we can do it as as many hours as possible.
very good.
Yeah, and because evening hours like 17, get to find that those who are cooking, that those who are playing football, somebody is going to do something. So really, it cannot be good. At the same time, also maybe if we have medical students among us, they might still be having a stage. You see,
Yeah.
and morning hours cannot be good to them. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'm sure with you girls is okay, right? The boys agree already. Tina, Regina, Aya.
Alison,
Yes, bro.
yeah, what did we agree on? Like the time or what? Because I think we'll be having every day 2 hours for 1 month, right?
Suppose 4 hours, but anyway, 2 hours fine also. Depend on you guys how badly you guys want to
No,
learn. Yeah.
for us, like I can talk about myself. For me, I'm willing because this is summertime and there's no too much work also. It's just to sleep, revise, and do other things.
Okay, we are going to do a lot of
Everyone
exercise. That's
can
fine.
work. It also depends with the user, what the professor who will supervise
Mm.
how we are improving on.
Okay. So we can call it a day. Okay. Anyone have any suggestion, whatever, drop them into WhatsApp. Okay. And then I will connect this video to YouTube. I will share the link. You guys will go and rewatch it. Okay.
Yeah, that's really great. Thank you so much.
All right, yalla. Have a good day, guys.
Okay, have a great